Hey guys, welcome back to JR14. Here we are with another video today. I am in my daily driver Accord, and I don't know if you guys can hear this, but whoever did that, y'all some messed up people. Someone stole the cat out of my Accord. So without further ado, let's go right now. So like I said, I'm sorry for the loud noise in advance. This time I didn't do it on purpose. There's some people that are low, but there are people in this world that are like nitty gritty, just horrific, horrible people. So I gotta deal with this. So I gotta do this shit sounds so bad. I woke up this morning. I parked my car last night. Good night. You know, just eating some beautiful dinner. You know, go to bed. Hardworking man. Go to bed. Wake up the next day to find out. And I start my car. And it was a cold start. But imagine a cold start with no cats and open dump. Yeah. And it's sounding like this. I got to hold the camera like this because I have to shift. This wasn't a video that wasn't supposed to be made, so I'm shooting it on my phone, so I apologize. But, yeah. So pretty much, I look underneath the car, and someone cut the catalytic converter from underneath my car overnight. You can't make this up, yo. I'm talking about, you can't have nothing nice in New York? Nah. You can't have nothing stock in New York without someone trying to steal it from you or vandalize it, or whether, I mean, this is kind of vandalism because of the fact that it was cut from underneath the car. Woke up, did that. I had to call my boss and all that, try to figure that out. I'm off to City Field now to try to like get another cat. They gave me a good price. I'm like, cool. Bada bing, bada boom. We're good. I gotta do that now because apparently you cannot make this up. I'm like, there's accidents that happens with cars all the time. I get people want to break into stuff sometimes, but bro, my cat, then I did some research and I actually found out that this is a big problem. This is a big deal in New York where people are jacking people's cars up and stealing their catalytic converters. And obviously the OEM ones from factory, like I said, this car is completely stock. Nothing's been altered from factory. So obviously it's worth a lot of money. So I mean, I get the business. But like you get pissed when it happens to you. Like you don't care about it until it's your car. I wasn't gonna drive like this to work, so I'm getting a new cat welded on now. That's gonna take money away from me and time of my day. I don't really care about the money. It's the value of time. Because now that's time I can't get back. So that's pretty much it, man. I'm gonna head to the shop right now. Then I gotta head into work. I'll probably pull a little late nighter today because my job, there's a lot of work that needs to be done. So I'm gonna head to the shop real quick, and then we're gonna head over to the place to get this welded and then go to work. So I'll see you guys there. All right, so now we have the car here on the lift, and as you can see here, this is the section that they cut out. They cut the O2 sensor wire from the bottom. And they also cut back right before the flange for the catback and all the way up to the flex pipe. They actually cut the flex pipe portion off, which pretty much, I mean, it sucks altogether. And as you can see in this clip, you actually see that they actually cut not from the bottom part of the header, but the header has two pieces and it cut all the way back. But yeah. All right, guys. So it's another day. I just want to let y'all know it's another day. I laughed in the beginning of that video because it's literally something that's so sad that happened to me. And this is a video to let everybody know, like, this is a thing in New York. I looked at articles. I didn't even realize how serious this is, but it is very serious to where people are literally jacking people's cars up and cutting their catalytic converters out while they're asleep. I never thought I would see the day where it gets that low. Like when you get that low of stealing something off of somebody's car, it's just like, it's mind-boggling to me. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna show you what I just did. I actually had to purchase a new O2 sensor, oxygen sensor, which I just put in the car. I didn't film it just because of the fact it was just a long day. I needed to get it done because I don't like check engine lights. Even though I have an inspection for a year and all that's good, I don't like check engine lights. So I'm going to show you what I did. I'm going to crawl underneath the car. I'm going to show you what I did so you guys can see. And that's Eric. If you haven't seen any of, you don't remember Eric, we did a couple of videos on his car. We actually did the Q5 spacers. We did the S5 spacers. We did the rear diffuser, and we did the S5 exhaust. So if you haven't checked those videos, click in the upper right hand corner of the screen to check those videos because they are epic. And I'm gonna crawl underneath this car. It's hot. I'm wearing black. It's my fault. I always do this to myself. But we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna look underneath the car and show you what they did at Fixed Muffler in Shea Stadium, as we call it in New York. If you know Shea Stadium, you know it's gonna be not a janky job. I was actually surprised it'll work, but yeah. So they got to it. So when they took the catalytic converter out, like I said, if you saw that picture before, the easiest way you could take it out is pretty much just not even go, because you have to access this from inside the car. So what they did was they just cut it from the O2 sensor right here. They cut both pipes here and the other side, and they just pulled it out. So
quick grab and go.
Quick grab and go. So pretty much, like, I didn't know how easy it is to actually steal until like I went to the muffler shop to fix my cat. And when they cut a little bit more pipe, I tell you, it was 20 seconds to cut one pipe. I was like, oh boy. I was like, okay, it was that easy. So I'm gonna show you the job that they did. I'm gonna do my best to show y'all. If I can't, I apologize. I don't have a lift in my garage or my driveway, but I am gonna go down underneath here and show you guys right now. Oh, this is a good visual for you guys to see. So everything from that flex pipe all the way through this cat in there they cut. They cut all this out. I just replaced the O2 sensor right here. And then like there's a grommet right there that this runs up to. And everything's from inside the car. I'm actually going to push this wire up because I want more of it in the cabin. I don't want wires hanging down from underneath the car. But yeah, so pretty much we did that. And that's what they welded in. $350 later. They actually did a decent job. I mean, the welds aren't the best, but they got done with it very quickly. And the car sounds good again. So now I have to go inside the car. And after I go inside the car, I have to put my code scanner in, my OBD II scanner, and then I have to clear the codes and start the car, and we should not have a check engine light anymore. So let's do that right now. All right, guys, so we're inside the car right now. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. I'm just gonna do that accessory mode with my tool scanner here. You can also find this on Amazon. Like I said, I'm an Amazon affiliate. I will put the link to where you can get an aftermarket O2 sensor. I got mine from AutoZone, but I will show you one that I would recommend if you are preferring to buy it from Amazon. So I'm gonna get this guy down here. This one's a little tricky to get to. Where are you? Just gotta feel for her a little bit. She don't play too much. There you go, chica. All right. First of all, I need to start the car because check engine light is still going to be on the dashboard. That's fine. You actually have to go in, hit any key to start. So got the check engine light, 404,000 miles. I checked the code yesterday and it was only just the O2 sensor that was an issue. So we're going to go ahead and clear this bad boy right now. One code, store codes, which is P0141, which is the O2 sensor heater circuit bank. No S word because there was cut. So of course there's no damn circuit going to it. So we're gonna go back and we're gonna clear this code, erase. Yep. Okay, hang on. Well, it actually wants me to turn the car off like that. Accessory mode. My Civic never did that before, so I guess new computer, new ECU, it recommends that you have the car off. And we're gonna erase the codes. Erasing the code. All right, so I had to back all the way out, restart everything, run diagnostics again, let it reconnect to the car. On my Civic, I use this and I can have the engine running and clear the code. On this car, you can't do it. So now there's no check engine light. Now, if this is not fixed, like you see, the light's not there. If I start the car, I'm gonna let it run for a little bit. If it's something wrong, that light will definitely come right back on. So, okay. I think we're good. We do not have the light on. I think we're in good shape. But I want to talk to you guys for a minute because just for a split second. So I'll tell you how much everything costs to get this fixed. $350 for a cat and do all the flex pipe and the welding and everything, and it costs an additional $70 to buy the O2 sensor to put it in the car. $420. I'm not gonna lie, I've seen some really low things in my day, but this takes the cake. I never would expect someone to go underneath a stock Accord with nothing done to it. It doesn't look appealing or anything like that. There's nothing done to it, and remove the catalytic converter right from underneath it. I'm telling you guys, because this is an issue, like I said before, is an issue in New York City. It's a problem. And not even in New York. It's also a problem in Connecticut. It's a problem in Jersey and California. They're literally going underneath people's cars, jacking them up. Literally takes them 5 minutes to do it. I can see how easy it is probably to get them to do it. And these catalytic converters used probably go from anywhere from $250 to $1,000 to sell to the scrapyard. So I can kind of understand why they're doing it, but I'm just like, that's pretty low. But I'm not going to continue ragging on it. It's just an awareness video. I went ahead and fixed everything. I'm happy now. We're good to go. No check engine light. Everything's fixed. And yeah. So unfortunately, this is a sad video, but it's back to being positive. All about positivity on this channel. But if you did like this video, if this has happened to you, please comment down below. I really want to hear your stories. If this has happened to you, maybe we can sign a petition. I don't know, something to let New York City be aware of it. I filed a police report just to let them be aware of the area where it happened, so that police can now enforce that area. I'm not going to disclose that area for obvious reasons, but yeah. But again, I want to hear your stories. But if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you also make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to JR14. You guys always remember, where you turn a negative into a positive and you look at the glass half full instead of half empty, you guys always remember that cars are a lifestyle.